We will expand these two binomial expressions. Now inside the bracket x plus 5 is a linear equation. Here on this side x plus 6 is also a linear equation. Now how you will expand these two binomial expressions? First of all, you have to draw two parallel lines, vertically parallel lines, and then draw the horizontal parallel lines that cut these two vertical parallel lines. This one and another is this one. Now first of all, you have to write this x on this side and this 5 on the other side. Same is the case, x on this side and 6 on the other side of these two parallel lines. Now the second step is you have to multiply 5 with x and write here it's a 5x. Same is the downward side, 6 is multiplied with x and write here it's a 6x. On this right side, multiply 6 with 5 and it will be 30. Now these two x are multiplied and write here, and we know that when the bases are same the powers are added. So both the bases are same and their power is 1, so it will be x square. So both these values are added, so it will be x1 plus 1, so that's why we will write x square. Now these two values are added and right here, so 6 and 5 x will be 11x, and lastly we have to add these inner values, which is equal to x square plus 11x plus 30, and lastly therefore we will write x plus 5 inside the bracket x plus 6, which is equal to x square plus 11x plus 30. Now the next question is 3x plus 4y bracket closed whole square. First of all, we have to write their square into same values. Why they are? You have to split this value actually. So 3x plus 4y write into 2 times because it is a square, so it can be splitted, and we will write 3x plus 4y. Now again we will apply the same rule which we have discussed in this previous question number 1, part number 1. Now again draw the two parallel lines, two horizontal lines, then pick this value and write here, second value right here. Now on the other side this value right here, and this side you will pick this value and write here. Now the same rule we have to adopt, multiply this value with this one and write here. So 4, 3, 12, both the variables are different, that's why we will write xy. In the downward side same, multiply here and write the value here, 4, 3, 12 xy. Similarly on this side, multiply this value with this one, it's a 16y square right here. Multiply these two values and write here. So 3 3s are 9, and we know that the bases are same, their powers are added, so it will be x square. Now lastly the inner two values, add these two values, not multiply. Outer side you have to multiply, but the inner values you have to add and write here. So 12 plus 12 is 24xy. And the last step will be you have to add these inner values, which is equal to 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. Therefore, we can write 3x plus 4y whole square, which is equal to 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. So this is our required result.